How to use Tryg car insurance Norway properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Tryg car insurance is a popular choice in Norway, but many drivers make simple mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it effectively. One major mistake is relying only on liability coverage. While it satisfies legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own vehicle. Comprehensive coverage is essential to protect your car and finances, especially for newer or more expensive vehicles. Misunderstanding deductibles is another common error. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket expenses but increases premiums, while a high deductible lowers premiums but may leave you paying more if a claim occurs. Choosing the right balance is critical. Failing to update your policy is also a trap. Life changes, such as moving, adding a new driver, or purchasing a new car, can affect coverage. If Tryg isn't informed, claims could be delayed or denied. Many drivers overlook discounts. Tryg offers savings for safe driving, accident-free history, and bundling policies. Missing these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow things down. Document damages, report accidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative to ensure a smooth process. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize Tryg car insurance Norway. Ensure proper coverage, select the right deductible, update your policy, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and keeps you protected on every drive.